Are you ready to take your vlogging game to the next level? Whether you're sharing travel adventures, cooking tutorials, or daily life experiences, the right vlogging camera can make all the difference. With technology evolving rapidly, there are countless options available, each offering unique features tailored for content creators. In this guide, we'll explore the best vlogging cameras on the market today, highlighting their key features, strengths, and what sets them apart. Let's find the perfect camera to bring your stories to life. Find all the product links mentioned in this video in the description box below. For more comprehensive details, visit our website Consumerfinds.com. Like this video, subscribe our channel, and click the notification bell for the latest updates. Ready for the list? Let's jump right in. Number 5. Gavonde W08-C, our find for best budget vlogging camera. Are you ready to elevate your photography and videography experience with the Gavonde W08-C digital camera? This compact yet powerful device features a remarkable 64-megapixel sensor and Ultra HD 4K video capabilities, ensuring that every moment you capture is a true work of art. Whether you're vlogging your morning routine or capturing the beauty of a sunrise, this camera promises stunning detail and clarity. You'll appreciate the flexibility it offers with its versatile autofocus system, allowing you to choose between auto, manual, and fixed settings. Tailor your shooting experience to match your unique style and preferences. Plus, the integrated Wi-Fi feature simplifies sharing your creations on social media so you can showcase your artistry to your followers instantly. Taking selfies is effortless thanks to the 180-degree IPS flip screen, ensuring you capture your best angles without awkward positioning. The 18x digital zoom lets you get up close with your subjects, adding depth to your images, although it's wise to be cautious with zoom levels to maintain clarity. Explore a wide array of creative photo and video modes such as time-lapse and slow motion that invite your artistic vision to flourish. The Gavonde W08-C digital camera isn't just a tool, it's an extension of your creativity. Embrace your storytelling journey and transform the way you capture your world with this exceptional camera. Number 4. Sony ZV-1, our find for best compact vlogging camera. Are you searching for the perfect compact camera to enhance your vlogging experience? The Sony ZV-1 might be just what you need. Tailored specifically for vloggers, this lightweight camera comfortably fits in your hand, making it easy to snatch up spontaneous moments throughout your day. One of its standout features is the fully articulated screen, which allows you to frame your shots effortlessly and ensures you're always in the spotlight. No more awkward positioning. When it comes to video quality, the ZV-1 excels with its impressive 4K recording capabilities and fast autofocus, producing stunning visuals that engage your audience. Although its 1-inch sensor can struggle in low-light conditions, it performs admirably in most environments, delivering captivating content that keeps viewers coming back for more. If you're considering upgrading to the Sony ZV-1 too, be aware that it features a wider lens for a more expansive shot, but sacrifices optical stabilization. This may affect the smoothness of your videos, making it important to weigh your options, especially with the higher price tag associated with the newer model. Whether you choose the original ZV-1 or contemplate its more expensive counterpart, you can be confident that this compact camera will enhance your vlogging journey, allowing you to creatively share your adventures and connect with your audience. Still searching for the perfect vlogging camera? Don't give up just yet. We've got more in store for you. If this is your first time here, make sure to subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on our latest videos. You won't be disappointed. Number 3. GoPro HERO13 Black, our find for best action vlogging camera. Are you ready to elevate your vlogging game? The GoPro HERO13 Black is the ultimate action vlogging companion you've been searching for. This camera isn't just another gadget, it's your gateway to capturing breathtaking experiences and sharing them with your audience. With stunning 5.3K 60 video quality, your adventures will leap off the screen, showcasing vibrant colors and sharp details that will undoubtedly captivate your followers. Thanks to the innovative HB series lenses and an enhanced battery, the HERO13 Black is designed to withstand the toughest conditions. Whether you're exploring the ocean's depths, scaling mountain peaks, or documenting your culinary creations, this robust camera is ready for any challenge you throw at it. Storage is a non-issue since the HERO13 supports microSD cards, allowing you to capture all the compelling content you desire without worrying about space. The 2.27-inch touchscreen makes framing your shots intuitive and straightforward, ensuring you get the perfect angle every time. Beyond just capturing moments, the HERO13 Black empowers you to share your unique story. Whether you thrive on adrenaline or are passionate about cooking, this camera helps you transform your everyday life into a visual masterpiece. With the HERO13 by your side, prepare to embark on a cinematic journey that showcases your adventures and inspires others. Your story is waiting to be told. Let the world see it unfold. Number 2. Insta360 X4, our find for best 360-degree vlogging camera. Are you searching for the perfect 360-degree vlogging camera? Look no further than the Insta360 X4, designed to elevate your filming experience. With stunning 8K video capabilities and smooth 5.7K at 60 frames per second, this compact device allows you to capture your adventures in incredible detail. The active high dynamic range feature ensures that your colors remain vibrant, even during the most dynamic moments. Gone are the days of worrying about framing your shots. With the AI-powered Insta360 app, you can shoot now and refine your shots later, making it easier than ever to achieve your creative vision. Plus, the signature invisible selfie stick effect enables you to capture yourself seamlessly in the action. Keep in mind that the stick isn't included with the standalone version, so consider adding it to your essentials. Versatility is key with the X4, offering 4K action camera capabilities and an expansive 170-degree max view. Your footage will benefit from flow state stabilization and 360-degree horizon lock, providing a seamless viewing experience. Built to endure, the X4 is cold-resistant and waterproof, ready for snowball fights or underwater adventures. With the Insta360 X4, you're not just filming, you're creating unforgettable memories. Get ready to explore and document life like never before, because every moment deserves to be captured in its full glory. Before we unveil the top find, don't forget to explore the description below for the latest deals on each of these items. And if you want to stay informed about the best products on the market, make sure to subscribe. Number 1. DJI Osmo Pocket 3, our find for best vlogging camera overall. Are you searching for the perfect vlogging camera to keep up with your adventurous spirit? Look no further than the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. This compact device is designed to be the ultimate travel companion, offering a blend of high-quality features in a lightweight package that won't weigh you down. Equipped with a powerful 1-inch sensor, the Osmo Pocket 3 delivers stunning visuals and impressive low-light performance, elevating your content to a level that many bulkier cameras struggle to match. With natural bokeh effects and vibrant colors, your videos will captivate your audience like never before. The advanced face tracking technology ensures that you remain in focus, so every spontaneous moment, whether it's a laugh or a dance move, is flawlessly recorded. Worried about battery life? The Osmo Pocket 3 provides up to 2 hours of recording time in 4K, allowing you to capture your adventures without interruptions. While it may have limitations in photography and underwater use, it excels in creating engaging content for your YouTube or TikTok channel. Don't let cumbersome gear hold you back. With the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 in your arsenal, you can effortlessly share your unique perspective and document every memorable moment. Whether you're exploring new destinations or simply having fun with friends, this camera is your key to expressing creativity in glorious HD. Embrace the journey and start capturing your story today. That's a wrap. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, be sure to give it a like and subscribe. And let us know in the comment which vlogging camera you are going to choose. Thanks for watching. We will see you in our next videos.